normally do like really old songs. That actually is a Russian song from years and years, like decades ago. The next song, though, is one of our newer songs because it's from the 60s. It was a Harry Nilsson song called Nobody Cares About the Railroad Anymore. All right. I believe it's in the key of C. Yeah, here we go. Yep. When we got married back in 1944, we bore that silver liner below Baltimore. Trip to Virginia on a sunny honeymoon. Nobody cares about the railroad anymore. Tip that porter for a place of our own. Then send a postcard to your mom, call back home. Ooh, it did something to ya when you hear that horn. Nobody cares about the railroad anymore. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, we had a daughter and you ought to see her now. She has a boyfriend who looks just like mine now, Sal. And when they're married, they won't need us anymore. They'll board an airplane and fly away from Baltimore. Ooh-wee, 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 ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh-wee. When we got married back in 1944, bore that silver liner below Baltimore. Trip to Virginia on a sunny honeymoon. Nobody cares about the railroad anymore. Woo! Thank you. Thank you very much. I wasn't sure if I'd make it here today. I spent all day wondering